When it comes to land surveying services in Lajpat Nagar, Delhi, finding a reliable and experienced land surveyor is crucial. Land surveyors play a vital role in determining the boundaries, dimensions, and topographic features of a particular land area. The accuracy of their work is essential for various purposes such as property development, construction projects, and legal disputes. In Lajpat Nagar, there are several land surveyors who offer their expertise in this field. One such reputable land surveyor in Lajpat Nagar is Scon Design Delhi. Scon Design Delhi is a well-known and established land surveying firm that has been operating in Lajpat Nagar for many years. They specialize in providing accurate and comprehensive land surveying services to their clients. Whether you are a property developer, a homeowner, or a construction company, Scon Design Delhi can assist you with all your land surveying needs. As a land surveyor in Lajpat Nagar, Scon Design Delhi offers a wide range of services. These include boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction staking, and subdivision platting. Their team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors uses state-of-the-art equipment and technology to ensure the highest level of accuracy in their work. They take pride in delivering reliable and detailed survey reports that meet the requirements of their clients. One of the key advantages of hiring Scon Design Delhi as your land surveyor in Lajpat Nagar is their knowledge and expertise in the local area. They have extensive experience working on land surveying projects in Lajpat Nagar and are familiar with the local regulations and requirements. This allows them to navigate through any potential challenges or obstacles that may arise during the surveying process. Their understanding of the local area also enables them to provide valuable insights and recommendations to their clients. Another benefit of choosing Scon Design Delhi as your land surveyor in Lajpat Nagar is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They prioritize clear communication, transparency, and professionalism throughout the entire surveying process. From the initial consultation to the final delivery of the survey report, they ensure that their clients are informed and involved every step of the way. They take the time to understand their clients' specific needs and tailor their services accordingly. In conclusion, when it comes to land surveying services in Lajpat Nagar, Scon Design Delhi stands out as a reliable and reputable choice. With their extensive experience, local knowledge, and commitment to customer satisfaction, they are well equipped to handle all your land surveying needs. Whether you require a boundary survey for a property development project or a topographic survey for construction purposes, Scon Design Delhi can provide you with accurate and comprehensive results. Contact them